the distillation process. The distillation process, the second process in a rum factory. But of course, first we have the fermentation process. On the fermentation process, we have the barrels, 22,000 liters. There, we blend molasses. Remember what the molasses is, okay? The honey. We are going to use the fermentation process 76% of molasses, 20% of purified water, and 10% of yeast. We use a yeast to accelerate the fermentation process. For example, for the beer, wine, cognac, armagnac, etc. But on this case, we are going to use just 10% of yeast for Havana Club rum. And after, because we have a quickly fermentation to get immediately the white rums. The rums that we use here in Cuba to prepare cocktails. The most famous cocktails here in Cuba, and then we are going to talk about it, okay? So, after this blending process, after 1 day, 24, 36 hours, we get a kind of wine at 6% alcohol. This percentage, of course, isn't enough to make the rum. That's why the wine at 6% alcohol goes to distillation process in order to increase through evaporation and condensation process the alcohol percentage. And in the middle part, on the first column, we get the light alcohol at 76%. But I know it's strong, okay? We can drink it, that's why we can drink it. But the light alcohol at 76%, here we don't have it, but we can feel it. The light alcohol at 76% represents the soul of our rum. Just the soul, because also we are going to use to make the rum the strong alcohol at 96%. I know if you drink it, we can die, okay? But don't worry, because at the end we are going to see how we get finally 37, 40, and 45% alcohol if we are going to use to make the rum 76 and 96%. That's normal the question, okay? So now, according to the Cuban rum masters, that's why you are here, okay? According to the Cuban rum masters, you have the opportunity to smell, just to smell the bottle, okay? The light alcohol at 76%. Try to feel here maybe the honey, the molasses, the sugar cane, the vanilla, coffee, honey. So it's your activity, okay? It's your time now. Take your time. Here we don't have it, but we can feel it. Take your time, please. Here we go. Try to smell. Take the bottle, sir, if you want. Take your time. You can feel it. You can feel that it's sweet, right?
Are you drunk?
No, I don't think so.
That's
Smells exactly. Let me open this door. There we have a small space where you have the opportunity to taste it.
Okay. Smells like honey and
Yo, where are we going? Is that the staying here?
smells like honey and what's the alcohol to sterilize called? And hand sanitizer and honey.
Nothing.
Nothing?